Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to CryptoPark channel, and today I'll provide the answers for what is Hashflow quiz. Before that, if you are new to this channel, please follow my Telegram channel for airdrops and airdrop related updates. Also, visit my website cryptoparkyt. You will find the links in the description below. After completing the quiz, you will earn 8 HFT token, which is also known as Hashflow token. You will get the reward in 2 days in Binance Reward Hub. So make sure to check Binance Reward Hub after 48 hours. So without wasting any more time, let's complete the quiz. That's it guys for today. Please don't forget to follow my Telegram channel for airdrops and airdrop related updates. Also, please subscribe this channel. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye. See you soon.